That's Zuccarello up first. Zuccarello 1 for 6 this season. Zuccarello deeps, unable to get the shot through.
Oh, Zuccarello had Wedgwood. Forehand to backhand, but then he loses it as he takes it back to his forehand. He just kind of rolls on him. Otherwise, he would have had an empty net.
Valdichowski, 2 for 5 this season. Up first for Colorado. Valdichowski moving in. Score!
Nice, a left-handed shot. Valdichowski goes down the left side, then bellies to the backhand in front, and now as he goes to his right, and then a quick little pull back, and you can see Wallstedt could not stay with him there.
Matt Boldy, 4 for 7 this season. Second shooter for Minnesota. Score!
Boy, some patience there from Boldy. And if you're Wedgwood, you're thinking he might take it back to his backhand once he gets to the middle of the ice. But Boldy head up. Instead of going back to his backhand, quickly right back to the forehand, gets it above the pad below the blocker.
Marty Necas, bottom of the second of the shootout. Each team with a goal. Necas stopped by Wallstedt.
Marty can't buy one today. And this puck might have rolled on him at the end, and that might have slowed him down. Thought right there he's going to shoot it. You see that puck's rolling? He's got the poke check. That's what he wants to happen. It just could not elevate there.
I like the element of surprise with the poke check there by Wallstedt.
Here's Kaprizov, third shooter for Minnesota. Tied at 1 in the shootout. And it remains. What a pace.
Well, much like Boldy's patience on the goal prior, the patience here by Wedgwood to remain on his feet at the top of the crease gives absolutely nothing.
Remember, McKinnon was serving a penalty, so he is not eligible. How about this? Nazem Kadri for the win in his return to the Avalanche. Kadri peaks, and we play on.
Everybody on their feet for Nazem Kadri as he returns back to Colorado, but just could not beat Wallstedt's glove there.
Here comes Tarasenko, fourth shooter for Minnesota. Stopped by Wedgwood.
What I like about Wedgwood here in the last 2 shots is that he has not backed in too fast. If you look where he is, where he makes these saves, he's at the top of the blue paint. Really gives nothing to Kaprizov, nothing to Tarasenko.
So after the first 3, now McKinnon is eligible. McKinnon scores! The Avalanche win it! McKinnon with his 43rd of the season in the second period, and now the shootout winner.
Well, speed kills, and when you come in this fast, you force the goaltender to really respect it, and you got to try and match that speed. It's awfully hard, and you can see Wallstedt gets moving back a little bit too much. That opens up the shot. McKinnon able to put it away, and the Avalanche remain perfect after leading after 2 periods.